Hi, I'm Manali and I'm a physiotherapist. I'm here at the Ottobock Clinic in Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Swapnil. I'm an amputee. If you are a recent amputee, compression therapy is really important. You could use compression socks, compression bandages, or a compression liner. Today, I'll demonstrate how to apply compression therapy using a compression liner. While using a compression liner, you make sure no air is trapped between the liner and the skin of your residual limb. You want the liner to be as close and completely in contact with the skin of your residual limb. The compression liner is quite tight but still comfortable and doesn't cause me any pain.
The liner needs to be washed daily for hygiene purposes. Make sure that you keep moving the residual limb while the liner is on. You can remove it after a few hours and keep it open for 30 to 40 minutes to allow air circulation. No matter which method you use for compression therapy, make sure that you do not feel pain at any point of time. If you are experiencing any pain, please visit your physician.
It is very important that you apply compression therapy regularly. It is actually preparing your stump for your first prosthetic fitment and is crucial towards shaping your stump.